Vanessa, and this is Angel Hairstyles, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do box braids. This is Tiana, my mannequin, and this is my new braiding rack, my new braiding hair rack. So I have all pieces of hair already sectioned off, and this is the braiding color 30, I believe. And I used a lighter color than her hair to show exactly what I'm doing, and so maybe it's a little bit easier to understand because the color is lighter, so you can see the difference between the hair that's in her head and the hair that I'm going to be adding. I already posted a TikTok on how to part for box braids, like how to pre-part the hair and everything like that, so I'm not going to be showing how to part in this video, but I'm just going to show basically how you do the box braids, how you start it, how you add hair in, and that's what I'm doing today. Okay, so here I have an example braid. As you can see, I also tucked the hair because we cannot really see the black from her hair. You can only see the color of the braid that I did. And this is what it looks like. You see no knots. It's not really bulky. It's about the same size throughout the whole braid. So this is what we're aiming for, and I'm going to show you how to get this. Okay, so you're going to start with taking your piece of hair that you're doing for the braid and taking it into 3 pieces. Because you're going to start the braid with 3 pieces. You take the piece to the left, and then you want to put it underneath the piece that's in the middle. So the piece that's in the left goes under the piece in the middle. Now the middle piece is on the left piece is in the middle, and then you take the right piece and you put the right piece underneath the middle. So now the middle piece is to the right, and the piece that was on the right is underneath, is in the middle now. And now the left piece and the right piece are the outer pieces, and the middle piece is the inside piece. The middle piece is on the inside. Now is when you're going to start adding the braiding hair, the weave. So you're going to take your piece that you have and then put it over the piece in the middle. So it's going to be connected to the left and the right pieces. And then you take the left piece and you give it a little twist. And then you put that underneath the piece in the middle, just as doing the regular braid, making sure that it's connected. So now you put the left piece underneath on the middle, and then you stop because now you're going to add another piece of braiding hair. And make sure that you have a tight grip on the hair that you're already braiding so that the braid looks neat and that it's tight. Now you take another piece of braiding hair, and this time the piece on the right is going to go underneath the piece in the middle. So you're going to do the same thing, give it a little twist, and then put the piece on the right underneath the piece in the middle to continue the braid. Now that you've done that, you're going to add in one more piece of braiding hair. And again, you're going to be going underneath the middle piece with the left piece. So you take the braiding hair, connect it to the outer pieces, make sure it's over the piece in the middle, and then you connect it with the piece on the left, twist it a little, and put the left piece underneath the middle piece. And after you do those 3 pieces of braiding hair, you can continue the braid just like regular. If you want to know how to tuck, then you really just take the hair, the natural hair, the black hair in this case, and then you make sure that it's underneath the braiding hair so that it's not visible. You may have to twist it a little as you see me hiding it, tucking it away so that you cannot see any black. You only see the brown braiding hair. And then you just continue down, going down the rest of the braid. And that is how you do the knotless box braid. It's really simple once you know how to do it. It's really just adding in the pieces as you go and tucking the pieces underneath. I hope this was helpful, and I'm still in the process of learning myself, as you can see, but that is basically how you do it, and also how you do tucking, because as you can see, the doll Tiana's hair is black and you don't see any black in the entire braid at all. So that's 2 things that you learned in this video. So if you enjoyed this video and it was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to Angel Hairstyles and follow me on TikTok and Instagram. The common question that I get asked is where do I get my mannequins from, where is each one from, and what is the link for each of my mannequins. And I do have an Amazon storefront, so if you go to my link tree on my TikTok or you go on my Instagram and click the link in my bio, then you will go to my Amazon account and you can see a bunch of mannequins, hair supplies, and things like that. You can order them straight from my account. And then you can get a mannequin, you can get hair supplies, I have all of that up there. So if you are looking for a mannequin or any hair supplies, then click on my Amazon storefront and everything is there that you need. Thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for the next one. Bye!